Alright, so I just got home. It's like 4 o'clock right now. Got back from the gym. Didn't really do too much today. My middle finger has been quite aggravated this summer, and it came back today, unfortunately. So by the way, though, I'm about to go. I gotta do some driving, yo. My license test is in like a couple weeks, so you gotta get ready for it. I'm about to spend like 2 hours out in the streets. Let's see how this goes. Haven't yet crashed. Let's hope it stays that way. Alright, so we are back home at this point, and as you can probably tell, we did not in fact crash the car, obviously. I know how to drive, it's not that difficult. Anyone with a functioning brain can probably figure out how to drive pretty quickly, it's not that difficult. But either way though, we got some chickens to attend to. It's about 10 o'clock right now. I've been recording quite a bit because right after that I went over to one of my friend's house.